Hi, my name is Morgan Millsaps. I am a student at Chattahoochee Technical College enrolled in the Early Childhood Care and Education degree program. This video is for ECCE 1112 Curriculum and Assessment with Dr. McCoy. Today I will be doing a demonstration of the Art Center in a preschool classroom centered around the creative curriculum. The creative curriculum emphasizes open-ended art activities for children. So for this activity, I have titled it Nature Impressions. It focuses on the open-ended exploration of textures in nature through a common classroom supply, Play-Doh. You are hard-pressed to find this not in a classroom, or at least some form of clay manipulative. And commonly found natural elements such as sticks, rocks, leaves, and pine cones. You're going to take the Play-Doh and you are going to get to roll it out, and then you can press any of these items into the Play-Doh. Alright, let me get my Play-Doh too so we can do that together. Alright, let's see. I've got two colors in mine. So what are you gonna make? I think I'm gonna try the leaf because it looks kind of funny. Whoa, it peeled off on a rock. Let's see what that does. Okay. Well, that looks like a foot. Yeah. Whoa. What does that look like?
It looks like a bear.
A bear.
That's like a tree.
It does. Let me try this stick. Wow, that's cool. Got the moss in there. I'll try this. I'm gonna roll it. Whoa. What you doing now? Just rolling it. What'd you make? Awesome. What is it?
It's a hammer.
A hammer? Awesome.
It's breaking.
Oh no.
Looks like something that destroyed the land.
Whoa. Do you remember what we call that?
No.
That's okay. A crater. We learned about craters in class the other day.
That was a while ago.
It was a while ago.
It looks like a bigger crater.
It does. Let's make a pine cone crater. This art activity supports developmental milestone CR 2.4a, which is a cognitive development milestone through visual arts, and states that children will be able to use materials to create individual works of art and express their creativity. It also supports physical development, specifically through developmental milestone M6.4C, and that states that the child will be able to perform complex fine motor skills with 50% accuracy. So when we look at activities like this, open-ended activities including clay or manipulatives, think about it as a workout for their fine motor skills. While they may not be particularly doing a fine motor activity in the moment that you or a parent would qualify as something useful, it is exercising their muscles, their brain, and their ligaments to be able to do those functions. In addition, the creativity of this activity and it being so open-ended allows children to go into any avenue they prefer. They could write their name in pine cones, they could end up making shapes with the sticks, they can press and compare the veins in their hands to the veins in the leaves. So there are many different avenues the child can take with this activity in looking at and comparing the different textures and creating individual works of art.